Hey, what's up? Uh, Today we'll talk about super intelligence. Super intelligence is a quality of the soul, and it has nothing to do with your mind. In fact, the mind is an obstacle for you to become an super intelligent. So you need to drop your mind first and unlock the intelligence of your soul. Then that's how you become super intelligent. Super intelligence is nothing that you achieve. You're already super intelligent. It is your inherent property of your soul. But the mind is blocking that. So, for example, when we are young, our intelligence grows until the age of 14. So, after 14 and 16 years, the body becomes ready for sex. So, most people, what they do, they kill that curiosity in them. They stop exploring the things around them and get indulge in all these sensory pleasures like the matrix love sex. uh, they want to experience all the food buy gadgets that this, so the mind gets distracted from acquiring knowledge. Knowledge is very important. So many people trade knowledge for money and what all, unnecessary things. They forget that knowledge is the way to liberate your mind in the, and to expel all fear from your system and live life fully. uh, so in order to understand super intelligence, we need to understand that our body is not actually made of flesh and bones. If you go deeper into the body, you will find molecules. If you go further down below, you will find atoms. If you go further inside, you will find electrons, protons, and neutrons. And if you go further, you will find quantum energy. And if you go even further down, you will find the unmanifest, that which does not exist. So basically, we don't exist. We are just in a vibration. These the vibration are creating this reality, and that's all to it. You need to understand this basic concept that just because we can see our body and we can touch it, feels real, but at the core it is something which is manifested from the unmanifest, that which does not exist. So now that you understand what is super intelligence, how to become super intelligent. To become super intelligent, the work needs to start with your body. Your body needs to be cleansed first, because we have been eating all these you know animals and fast food and all this kind of sensual pleasures. So we have been eating this, and our we have made our stomach a graveyard. First, we need to clear our system by fasting and eating as much as raw food, salads. And when the body is clean, it's basically our body is a vessel for good things to enter. When the body is clean, you will unlock your true potential. You know, the soul becomes free. The soul is in the stomach. The soul needs to come from stomach to heart and to the third eye. That is how you unlock your super intelligence. So once your body is clean, then you need to start working on your mind. You need to lose your mind. See, one of the best ways to lose your mind is to run naked on the streets. that's the quickest way to lose your mind if meditation is not your thing. Or you need to sit in meditation, calm your mind, and when thoughts come to your mind during meditation, you should only observe it. You should not participate in the thoughts. And when you once you start doing this, you'll observe these gaps in between meditation of absolute silence, and there's nothing. That's when your mind drops and the soul becomes active. So when you meditate more and more like this, you'll unlock your true potential: infinite love, infinite creativity, infinite knowledge, infinite intelligence. That's the best technique. Just start with step one: cleaning your body, fast, eat good food, then you clean your mind, by dropping your mind, getting naked, running on the street, or doing meditation. And you do it more, keep doing it, and you'll reach that stage of super intelligence. uh, when you are guided by love and compassion, you see the world very differently. You lose your ego. When you lose your ego and mind, you become one with all this manifestation, and you become the your mind becomes a part of this cosmic mind. So for example, uh, our mind, where if you go below the conscious mind, you'll find the subconscious mind. If you go below subconscious mind, you'll find this unconscious mind of the world. So we see so much problems in the world because the mind of the world is unconscious. So once this mind becomes conscious, all problems in this world will go away. You know, so this world needs a spiritual revolution. So only spiritual revolution can bring peace. If you go and uh, you know protest on the street, rioting and all that, you are increasing all that negative energy in the world again. So this world does not treat rioters and people who destroy their own city. It needs a spiritual revolution, and it can happen only if you lose your ego and mind and anger. Like men suffer with a lot of anger problems. That anger needs to be channeled and turned into love. So women are already connected with you know with the soul because of love. So it is easier for women to to feel that energy of the universe. Men will take a lot of time because men have so much anger and so much suffering men are going through. It is difficult for them to overcome all this mental blockages. Will take a lot of time for men to recover, but women are like guided by love, compassion already. And for them it is very easy to harness this energy of the universe. So they don't even need to meditate for that. So that's all. Enjoy life, and don't be in the hurry and to get things. It is the givers who succeed at the end. Like takers might go till a very short distance, but the givers will go on and you know live on in our hearts forever. So enjoy. Bye.